ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें।
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teachers and my dear friends who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. This is Mr.Ghulam. I live in Gosi and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, I am going to tell about importance of English language. I would like to speak some lines in Hindi. जब सब सो रहे थे तो हम जाग रहे थे। जब सब सो रहे थे तो हम जाग रहे थे, किसी की याद में नहीं जिम्मेदारियों में जाग रहे थे। इतना छोटा नहीं था मकाम हमारा, इतना छोटा नहीं था मकाम हमारा कि कुछ रात जागने से काम चल जाता। कभी आंख लग भी गई तो हमारे हौसले भाग रहे थे। Now I am going to start my topic. English is a very important in our life, for you and for us. There is no life without English, both here in other countries. Because reading English is also important, and learning English is also, and speaking English most important. If you haven't studied English, how will you understand? If someone speaks English in front of you, if something is written English anywhere, how will you read that? If you go anywhere, you will find it written English. If you don't know English, you will be unable to understand. If owner speaks to you in English, how will you understand? If you go to the office and someone speaks English in front of you, you will think that what is he speaking? That's why I saw everyone. English is a very important in our life. Reading also, speaking also, and learning also. If you want to speak English, if you want to learn English, if you want to read English, so join Global Spoken English. I would like to speak some lines in Hindi. रात की धड़कन जब तक जारी रहती है, रात की धड़कन जब तक जारी रहती है, सोते नहीं हैं हम, जिम्मेदारी रहती है। I want to finish my topic. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.